Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming two essentials: a Google account signed in and the Ipynb accessible either on your computer or in Drive. Once done, open Google Colab and choose File, then open Notebook. This immediately surfaces Upload and Drive options. Next, select the Upload tab to drag the file or switch to the Google Drive tab to browse. Make sure you allow Colab access to Drive if prompted so the notebook can load directly into the session. Now you decide how to bring the notebook into the runtime. If you uploaded locally, Colab opens a temporary session, run cells, and save copies to Drive. If you pick the Drive tab, pick a notebook in My Drive or Shared with You. Colab will create an editable copy in your Colab Notebooks folder unless you open directly. For advanced access to other files, run from Google. Colab import Drive and Drive. Mount /content/Drive to expose to finish, save your work by choosing File, then save a copy in Drive so edits persist. If cells error or the kernel disconnects, select Runtime, choose Restart, and run all to reinitialize the environment and rerun dependencies. If the notebook fails to open, verify that Colab has Drive permissions and that you're signed into the correct Google account. Also check network/firewall rules. One quick fix: clear browser cache or try incognito to rule out extension conflicts before deeper debugging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.